Bismillahirrahmanirrahim and welcome back to my YouTube channel with another video. So in today's video we will discuss Python math functions. Python has a set of built-in math functions through which we can solve various mathematical problems and tasks. So now let's see an example of this. So what is built-in math functions? Built-in math function is basically minimum and maximum functions which can be used to find the lowest or highest value in an iterable. So here we have an example in which we have a two variables x is equal to minimum 5, 10, and 25 and y is equal to maximum 5, 10, and 25. X is equal to minimum 5, 10, and 25 means that we have when we will get an output, we will get minimum value from these three values, which is 5. And y is equal to maximum 5, 10, 25 means that in output we will get maximum value from these three values, which is 25.